Hello and welcome to 15453 North 2nd Drive. We are in Moon Valley. So if you go this way and to the left, Moon Valley Park is right there. Big quiet street. So I used to live right over there. I love this neighborhood. So this home is 4-bed, 2-bath, 2,200 square feet-ish, 2-car garage, RV gate. From the outside, that roof looks great. It looks pretty new. Seeing all dual pane windows, so nice updates. The one drawback with Moon Valley is a lot of the homes here, 70s built, 80s built, so not the best for efficiency, but this one looks like it has all the good updates. So walking in, let's get to a porch and let's check it out. So just a nice, this does have a real open floor plan here. Walk into a dining room. Kitchen, of course. Fireplace. To the living space there, living room area. So just true open floor plan. That is a wood burning fireplace. I like that material. That's just wood there, isn't it? Yeah. Good look. Here's another look at the space. It's a huge island. That thing's probably 12 feet long by about 5 feet. Looks like quartz, stainless steel appliances, electric cooktop, single tub. I like this pass-through. This openable window goes right up to the yard with a pool, of course. Backsplash goes all the way up. And that is an exterior hood vent, very important. The cabinets on this side of the island. This one's a true split floor plan. Let's check out the master first. Let me shut this door first. Okay, so on our way to the master, you will see a 2-car garage, which looks exactly like a 2-car garage. Complete with a little storage area here, water treatment, water heater, nothing too exciting. And then we have our laundry, good sized laundry, nice cool barn door. Laundry rooms have a hard time being exciting, so why not put a barn door on it? Electric hookup only. Walking into the master. Yeah, dual pane windows here too. That looks like a queen bed. You got about 5 feet over here and about 6 or 7 feet on that side. Of course, you have a walk-in closet with your bathroom. Let's check out the closet first. Looks, yeah, it's not the largest closet, but yeah, not the biggest. I imagine somebody's going to have their clothes elsewhere. And then here is the master bathroom. There I am. Hello very much. Nice shower. Wall to ceiling tile there. The standard fixture from what it looks like. And a good looking pan. All right, let's get a carpet in this room. Outside looks like this is actually a tile made to look like wood. Obviously all the rage these days. Walking through the living space, we're gonna cross the split floor plan into the other 3 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. The one thing about these older homes here, in the Moon Valley, is the rooms tend to be bigger. This is a good sized room here. This from this spot here is probably 15 feet at least, and you got about 10 feet across. And, you know, dual pane everywhere. A little slider closet. I'm guessing that's is that a walk-in? Could be a walk-in. No, it's a slider. A 6-footer. Coming down the hallway. We are first going to pass another guest bedroom. And that one's about 12 by 12 with another slider closet, of course. About a 6-footer. Then before you get to the final, you got the linen closet right here. Double linen closet. You get the dual vanity, guest bathroom, guessing tub and shower. Yeah, tub and shower. Once again, this isn't an insert. This is wall to ceiling tile in your standard tub with a open linen shelf set up here. All right, let's check out that last bedroom, then we'll get outside and we are done. There we go. There's another decent sized room. I like the 2 closets, that's good. I'm sure those connect as well. This is about 12 by 10 in here. And carpet again. So carpet in the bedrooms, tile everywhere else. View of the pool. Speaking of which, let's go out. So you have another door from here to the pool, to the yard. I love this. So one of my favorite things in any house is a nice covered patio, but more importantly than that, we are facing east. So you are just gonna we're gonna get your morning sun and then you're done. You're gonna be in the shade all day long, which you will love in the summer. So Moon Valley, I love Moon Valley. It is lush out here. Wide open. That is a plaster pool. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. Some debris. Newer cover valve. A little bit of scaling right there. But the diving board definitely works though. Here's the equipment. Yeah, that roof's in really good shape. That AC looks about, I'm guessing 10 or 12 maybe years old. Maybe a little older than that. Real lush back here. That's the pool equipment. Tripping on some rocks. I'm not loving it. It's kind of a really low wall here though. You got the yard, the neighbor's yard right there. But I'm sure they're nice. Then here's the equipment. Let me see if I can get a quick peek at this stuff. So we're gonna shape the equipment's in. Looks okay. Looks cleanish. Filter, it's hard to get a shot here, sorry about that. Hard to get a shot of that. I'm guessing the pool equipment's 10 years oldish. More look at this patio. That's a good patio. I like that a lot. Gutters too. Important. Good block home. It's a good Moon Valley home. They even upgraded the slider door too. Easy to go cheap there, and they did not. One last look coming back in through the living room. There you have it.